warm sunshine the British Isles enjoyed last weekend, this weekend will be very different. It'll continue cooler and fresher, and there'll be some showers around, if not some longer spells of rain. So as we look towards Europe for some warm sunshine, I think the best bet this weekend will be across the eastern Mediterranean. Temperatures into the low 20s in Corfu and Athens, and there'll be some sunshine too across the eastern side of Scandinavia through Finland down towards the Baltic Sea states, but much more unsettled further west. And the unsettled weather will be around, I think, for the Grand Prix this weekend, the European Grand Prix taking place in Germany. Perhaps some longer spells of rain for the race itself on Sunday. And as we look at the pressure charts across Europe, you can see dominated by low pressure and weather fronts, very little in the way of dry and fine weather around really, and that low pressure well and truly in charge across the British Isles. In fact, we'll see the first of the more persistent rain on its weather front coming into the west of Britain during the night tonight, and then that'll push gradually eastwards during the course of the weekend. Low pressure in charge. And indeed, we've got the FA Cup final this weekend. Aston Villa are taking on Chelsea at Wembley tomorrow afternoon, and I think there will be some rain around for the match and also for the cricket, where we've already had some interruption to play today due to showers. Now, looking at the radar picture, you can see we've a real rash of showers amassing across the eastern side of the British Isles. Some thunderstorms now through Lincolnshire, into Yorkshire and down into East Anglia too. And we'll keep our heaviest showers this afternoon in eastern areas, still some rumbles of thunder. Whereas further west, I think they'll be more scattered and generally lighter. And with the winds easing, it may feel that bit pleasanter than it's felt for the last couple of days. Whereas further west, well, here we will have quite a brisk breeze continuing to make it feel quite chilly. And those showers will continue well into this evening. But as they die down tonight, well, we're going to have a chilly one, I think. A touch of ground frost, even perhaps as far south as the Powys Glens and down in towards parts of southern England as well. A chilly night indeed. Whereas further west, the temperatures will hold up with the onset of the rain for Northern Ireland, West Wales and the West Country. And then as we head into Saturday, well, despite the bright start further east, that rain will gather, pushing its way gradually towards North Sea coastal areas. It'll push into southern and western parts of Scotland too. But I think for northern and eastern parts of Scotland, bar the odd shower, we may escape with a mostly dry and bright day. But the rain will arrive for Sunday, and even following on behind the rain, it'll be fairly unsettled and cool with some showers around. And as we head into next week, it's an unsettled feel as well. That's